Hey guys, this is Howie. I'm here to help you win with money. In this video, I'm going to show you batch number 2 of the cards that I sent to Premier Grading. I sent it off on July 9th and I got it back today. So in under 24 days, door to door, I got it back. While this is not between the 7 through 10 business days, I believe that will be solved in September when the new $10 million investment made by Rudy go into effect. This is batch number 2. You can see the box is a little bit different. And this one is a little bit bigger box because this one had a little bit more cards in submission number 1. 5 cards in this one, 9 cards in the first one. So let's take a look at what's inside. This time I sent in Pokemon Prime cards, mostly from 2010, the HGSS era. Most raw copies will grade between a 6 and 7. Print lines are common. What I care about is this is for my personal collection. I'm using grading to protect these cards. So let's take a look at what I got. First one is a 7. Let me just try to take a good look at this. This one's a 6, a little bit worse. Okay. And here you go. This is nice. Hamdun is a 8.5. You can see that. It's really hard to get an 8 for this card. But again, really great condition. And believe it or not, I got sequential 8.5s. So it's nice because I tried to do the same thing with sequentials here, but these didn't score too well here. And then the last one is that's hard. 7.5. But this is a beautiful card still. Let's take a look. Looks really nice. Looks really nice. Am I disappointed? Well, I knew these are really hard to get 8s or 8.5 or 9s. I'm not selling these. I'm quite happy with this. I never expected getting 10s from these old cards, but I'm quite happy that these cards are now protected.